we're just going to press. We're going to heat that seam up. And we're going to heat this seam up. Okay. Now, I think it's okay if you want to just go in and press that to that solid square or strip, whatever you want to call it. Because this, this seam right here is going to line up with this seam right here. So our next step will go to the, whoops, I need to press him. And we'll see when we get ready to sew together. We'll see real quick whether that's going to work to press them to the strip or the solid. Alrighty, back over to the cutting board. So these go down vertical. We're going to use our mini ruler. We're going to use this 1/4 of an inch line along the side, and we're just going to go through that corner. The 1/4 of an inch line will be right off of that point, and this one should just go right through that corner. And this nice clean edge should go right up with that line, which is a 2.5 mark. So the edges of the ruler go right through those points, and the 1/4 of an inch line goes right there on that little crown point. And this line over here should be right on that 2.5. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn them so that they're all the same.
While we're here, what size is that rotary cutter, that little one?
This is that little one, and is it, it's a 28.
28.
Uh-huh.
And then there's a 45.
Yeah. I don't see the size on it, but yeah.